Beautiful day here at the beach. Just lost my first fish, which was a tailor, but the sun's just about to poke its head over the hills. Crisp, cool, absolutely beautiful down here at the beach. That's what I live for, man. Even if we don't catch anything, perfectly honest, who really cares, because I'll get it right. A bad day's fishing is better than a good day of moving. No fishies yet, but keep you posted. Fingers crossed we get something. Woo! Here we go. Maddie's got a fish.
Yeah, boys. I've got a fish. Tailor off. Hey! Beauty tail, that's a good one.
Maddie's on with another one. That's a better fish. Yeah, boy. Well done.
That's a good one.
We got him. Another nice one. He's going to the fry pan when I get home. It's just another one. And this is what happens sometimes.
That's a big one.
That's better.
Big fish off the day. Yo! Sick, man.